Today we're talking about the letter F. We've been learning F and how to recognize the way it looks, but today we're going to talk about how it sounds. Let's make the sound for F together. I'll make it and then you do it. When you make that sound, your top teeth are just inside your bottom lip and you just blow some air across. Do you hear any sounds? No, you're not using your voice. It's only air. We call these unvoiced because we don't use our voice. Let's look at some pictures that start with this same sound, and I'll say them and then you say them after me. Are you ready? Frog, fence, flag, fish, and here's another flag. So let's say these words. I'll say them and then make the sound after we say the word. Are you ready? Frog, fence, flag, fish, flag. Let's make the sound together one more time. Nice work. No voice, just air across your bottom lip. Good job.